AEON Laser Vision Pro Mark Point Guide. About AEON Laser Vision. How to set up calibration CCD camera. Mark Point Guide. Software installation. Double-click the RD Vision installer. Click the Install button. Select the installation language. Click Install Software. Click OK to confirm. Click Exit to continue the installation. Double-click the RD Vision desktop shortcut to launch the software. Select the connection module. Click OK to confirm. Select XC camera and click the X to close the dialog. Click Camera Parameters. Click the Rotate Angle drop-down and select 180. Click OK to confirm. Close the software to prepare for a restart. Camera Calibration. Double-click the shortcut again to reopen the software. Use the X and Y buttons to move the laser head above the material. Click the Camera Parameters button. Slide the parameter sliders in the Camera Parameter Settings area. Observe the brightness and contrast in the camera view and adjust accordingly. Move the XY axis to position the laser head correctly over the material. Click the Cut Cross button to mark a cross on the material. Scroll the mouse wheel to zoom in on the cross in the camera view. Align to the center of the engraved cross and right-click. Continue zooming and right-clicking for the fine adjustment until the red cross aligns with the engraved cross. Click the Calibration button. Enter RD48 in the pop-up dialog box and click OK to confirm. Move the XY axis to a clean area of the material. Click the Dot Parameter button to adjust the settings. Refer to the video for recommended settings, then click OK to confirm. Click the Dot button to begin marking the grid. Scroll the mouse wheel to ensure the full grid is visible in the camera view. Right-click to adjust the grip position. Direction is opposite to the click location. Ensure the grid cross points are fully visible in the camera's field of view. Click the Correct button. If recognition errors occur, a dialog will prompt for a manual correction. Click Yes. In the dialog box, check if the red crosses align with the grid crosses. Left-click any extra red crosses to turn them blue, then press Delete to remove them. If any grid crosses lack corresponding red crosses, right-click to add them. Ensure all red crosses are aligned with the grid crosses. Once confirmed, click the Calibration button. When prompt calibration successful, click OK. Click Exit to close the dialog. Move the laser head and repeat cross calibration. Camera calibration is now complete. Close the window. Print and cut demo. Place the material with mark points onto the laser working platform. Move the laser head above the material. Make sure one of the mark points appear in the camera view. Before recognizing mark points, perform autofocus on the material. Position the cursor at the center of the mark point and right-click. Scroll the mouse wheel to zoom in, then right-click to fine-tune alignment. Align the red cross with the center of the mark point. Click the position button. Check the valid zoom option. A green frame will appear in the view. Drag the edges of the green box to adjust the valid area size. Ensure that only the mark point is within the valid zoom with no interference. Switch to the model view. Import the corresponding cutting file. Click the Mark Point Set button. Check Black Model. Draw a selection box around a mark point in the cutting file. Click the Add button to record the mark point's coordinates. Repeat the process to add the second and third mark point. Select the first mark point again and click Set First Point. Check single point recognition. Switch to the camera view. In Vision Process, select Cutting After All. Click the Simulate button. The camera will recognize and calibrate actual mark points based on the setting coordinates. After successful recognition, click the Work Parameter button. Click the Processing layer and set the appropriate processing parameters. Make sure to disable output for the mark point layer. Click OK to confirm settings. Click the Start or Pause button. After recognizing all mark points, the camera returns to the starting point and begins cutting. You can monitor real-time cutting process in the machine window. Drop-down cutting is complete with accurate recognition and alignment. Thanks for watching.